Stork turns are the next progression. This is starting to get into a more advanced drill here. Now you want an easy blue, maybe an easy red for this one. You want a little bit of speed. So once you've mastered the parallel turns and linking them up, now this is now good for edging. You want to start feeling your edges, so when you get onto the steeps it's going to be better for you. So Stork turns is basically as you begin the turn, you lift your inside ski up. Now so I sometimes lift my whole ski up. Sometimes people find it better just to lift up the tail and keep the tip on the snow. As you go round, you keep that inside ski up, and at the initiation and at the end of the turn, the finish of the turn, then you can put down and you go back into that parallel. And as you go into the next turn, again, your inside ski comes off, put the weight onto your outside ski. Find that dynamic balance, find that edging control, and then go down. So you need some speed for this one because it will help the quicker you go. So the primary skills here you're going to do is stance and balance, dynamic stability, edging, pressure, edging, pivoting, and you're just going to start doing pressure control.